Implementing order of what's highly related. Now, very bad years of it. Doktor lagi lagi berada di tadi. Alibong. Doktor alibong lagi di berada di.
Oh, for 1 day, yes.
Promotion item number 1 and 2.
My Your Lordship, the council is in court 1, so kindly this matter will take after some time. Much obliged.
For admission, item number 3.
No, please, Lordship. Lordship, here, the stake we have filed an SLP before the Supreme Court. So the diary number is 3680 of 20/2024, Lordship. So I pray that this matter may come up after the 36920. 6920. So Lordship, I pray that this matter may come up after the disposal of the SLP. 36920. Against the judgment passed by in appeal. Yes, Lordship.
Petition.
Yes, Lordship. Of the SLP, yes. Diary number, your lordship, diary number 36920. 36920 of 2024. Much obliged.
Obliged, Lordship. For admission, item number 4.
Perhaps Lordship. Lordship, is my last order, Lordship, I was allowed to make the amendment, and I filed the amendment petition, Lordship. If the amended petition is on record, Lordship. Amended petition. Lordship, if the amended petition is on record, we can take up of hearing today. If it's on record, allows them. Lordship, and the applicants, the petitioners, they are both, all three of them, they are the petitioners jointly filed. The petition number 1 is the accused, 2 and 3, they are the victims. Lordship, question on the FIR and the charge sheet, Lordship. In this charge sheet, Lordship, but offense is rash. One minute, Lordship. It's
Page 20 is the FIR, your lordship. No, 20. Of the amended petition.
20 is the charge sheet, Lordship.
Yes.
Amended petition, charge sheet. Charge sheet is the 20.
20.
FIR is at 15, Lordship. That is the Somuto FIR, because this case came up of the accident between the petitioner and the respondent's vehicle, Lordship. Charge sheet, Lordship. Charge sheet. Lordship, here the offense are 336, 338, and 184 of the 336 and 338 of IPC, and 184 of the MV Act. Driving dangerously. Lordship, these case. Lordship, 336. But Lordship, in the charge sheet, the IO has added one more section, the IPC, that's 279. No, not filed. Lordship, it was in some the vehicle. Lordship, even otherwise, Lordship, the petitioners, one is the accused, the petitioners number 2 and 3 that are accusing, they have jointly Punishment is only 2 years, 3 months, lordship, and fine is 200 for 1,000, lordship. And lordship, lordship may see that the petitioners, they have come into a compromise, lordship. And on 22nd October 2023, NH 29 between Patkai Bridge and Kokitolong. Charge sheet is filed on 30/10/2023, lordship. No, lordship, no. Yes, lordship. 30/10/2023 at the top. Top of page 20. Top copy of the charge sheet number 42/3, 30/10/2023. Lordship, on 4th of November 2023, that is at 23, page 23, annexure D, lordship. Annexure D, lordship.
After filing of charges.
After filing of charge sheet, lordship. After filing. Lordship, terms and conditions will come at 24, lordship, page 24. I mean, allowed to read, lordship. Now, this deed witness as follows: that both the parties have settled the matter amicably outside the court relating to the accident that occurred on 22nd/10/2023, and an FIR complaint being number 77/1 in view of the understanding reached between the first party and the second party regarding the matter. Basically, this that of yes, for the as compensation for medical treatment expenditure as well as for the repairing the damaged vehicle, that is the WagonR. Bearing number so and so. And there's an acknowledgement of the money. You have the petition number 1 has given the amount to the petition number 2 and 3. Money receipt is at page 22, lordship. Money receipt is page 22. The accident so occurred on 22nd of 2023 did not occur out of the negligence, but due to some technical problem, lordship, and accidents are inevitable, lordship. And as such, the petition number 2 and 3 has also come to an agreement and compromise between the parties. That is the petition 1, 2, 3, and 3, lordship. Lordship, now the it's for CC, lordship. The last order as annexed in my petition, page number 26, annexure E, lordship. Annexure E, type copies at annexure, type copies at page number 26A, last page, lordship. Accused person present along with his counsel so and so. Learned PP is present. Learned defendant counsel prays for some time to conduct CC. Now the stage is CC, lordship. Considering of charges, since charges have been framed, but lordship, since the petition 1, 2, and 3, they have come into a compromise, lordship, and lordship has perused the sections that have been charged against petitioner 1, 2, and 3. Petitioner 1 is the accused. Petitioner 2 and 3 are the victims. They have jointly filed this petition, lordship. Since come to a compromise, all the parties are willing to close the matter. And lordship have seen the petition sections.
Your lordship may kindly come to page 21 of the charge sheet, your lordship. Amended petition. Your lordship, fourth para. During investigation, your lordship. During investigation, accused driver Landru Mai voluntarily admitted for driving the vehicle rash and negligent causing injuries to commuters in the national highway and which are dangerous to the general public, and such actions are found to be in contravention to the established law of the land. Your Lordship, coming to the last paragraph, from the above facts and relevant evidence, a clear prima facie case under section 279, 336, 338 IPC read with 184 MV Act are found well established against the accused driver Len Rumai, 28 years. Your Lordship, so here it is the admission of the accused. There is nothing to prove by the prosecution now. There is a clear case, and out of the 4 section levied against the accused, 2 is non-compoundable, Your Lordship, and 1 is serious. 336 is serious offense, Your Lordship, though the punishment may be light, Your Lordship.
200 rupees, Lordship.
Punishment is 3 months and fine is 250, but it's considered as serious offense, Your Lordship. So on the grounds of compromise, Your Lordship, it is not tenable in the eye of the law, Your Lordship. That is my humble submission, Your Lordship.
Maybe, Lordship. Lordship, here the accused is a young fellow, Lordship. And if at the stage when it's a first offense in such cases, where sometimes make mistake, it's this honorable court has a inherent power to intervene and quash the criminal proceedings against the accused, Lordship. And even otherwise also, Lordship, the sections, even though know that, Lordship, the sections are saying that act dangerously endangering life of or personal safety of others, Lordship. Whoever does any act so rashly or negligently as to endanger human life or the personal safety of others shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 3 months, or with fine which may extend to 250 rupees, or with both, Lordship. No doubt it's the non-compoundable, but Lordship, this honorable court has a inherent power to quash this posting, Lordship.
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 Yes, 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 161 statement and the charge sheet.
I need to settle. And how is there any chance of or possibility of the accused being convicted because the victim themselves have not accepted the amount, which is much more than the fine.
Maybe, Your
And
Lordship,
even, Lordship,
but the action of the accused, Your Lordship.
even
Yes,
Lordship,
yes.
Lordship may kindly, now that the parties have compromised, even if the trial court go ahead with the trial, Lordship, the accused, the victims, they will not come forward and give a statement, or even if they come and give a statement, they will state that they have come to a compromise. So even in such cases, the honorable court below will not be in the position to close the case. But this honorable court, in view of the compromise it entered into by the respondent petition 1, 2, and 3, the honorable court has an ample power and inherent jurisdiction to quash the proceedings, Lordship. And this is an act of negligent driving. It's not an act of where the person has committed thief out of some motive or out of a willful motive or intention, Lordship. In fact, Lordship, the petitioner number 1 has also learned his lessons. Even though at the time of driving on the fateful day, he was driving rashly and negligently, but from that day onward, he has learned his lesson that he will drive his vehicle in a manner where doesn't endanger his life or endanger anyone's life, Lordship. So at least considering the fact that he has also learned his lessons, and since the parties have come to a compromise, the honorable court has ample power to quash proceedings, Lordship. And no, Lordship, yes, Gyan Singh, Lordship, Gyan Singh, Nande Jain, and all, Lordship, those are cases where the honorable court has come. Lordship, in cases of non-compatible matters where this Honorable Court in Gyan Singh versus State of Punjab reported in 2012 10th. Lordship, there says that non-compatible sections where the parties have. Lordship, they. Huh? Lordship, the relevant portion is paragraph 33. Lordship, it's reported in Gyan Singh, Lordship. I'm sorry, I couldn't provide copy, Lordship. Gyan Singh versus State of Punjab and another versus Gyan Singh versus State of Punjab, another reported in 2012. 10 ACC 2012. Oh, Lordship, oh, this is Narendra, Lordship. My apologies. This is Narendra Singh and another versus State of Punjab. Narendra Singh. No, not Gyan Singh. This is Narendra Singh. 2014. 2014, Lordship. 2014. 2012 is Gyan Singh. This is Narendra. 2014. 2014. 6 ACC 446. Relevant paragraph is 33, Lordship. We have gone through the FIR as well, which basis of statements of the complainant / victim. It gives an indication that the complainant was attacked allegedly by the accused person because of some previous dispute between the parties. Though nature of dispute, etc., is not stated in detail. However, a very pertinent statement appears on record. This respectable person have been trying for a compromise up till now, which could not be finalized. This becomes an important aspect. It appears that there has been some disputes which led to the aforesaid purported attack by the accused on the complainant. In this context, when we find that the elders of the village, including Sarpanch, intervene in the matter and the parties have not only buried their hatches but have decided to live peacefully in future, this becomes an important consideration. The evidence is yet to be led. The evidence is yet to be led in the court. It has not even started. In view of the compromise between the parties, there is minimal chance of the witness coming forward in support of the prosecution case. Even though nature of injuries can still be established by producing the doctor as a witness who conducted the medical examination, it may become difficult to prove as to who caused these injuries. The chances of conviction therefore appears to be remote. It would therefore be unnecessary to drag these proceedings. We, taking all these factors in consideration cumulatively, are of the opinion that the compromise between the parties being accepted and the criminal proceedings arising out of FIR so-and-so dated so-and-so before the so-and-so rural be quashed. We order accordingly.
There are disputes where it was not intentional.
Lordship. Accident case where unfortunate things happen, Lordship. So here in the case, it's a case of attack.
Yes. Lordship.
Lordship, and even this will become a futile and amount to.
Lordship, what is relevant here is that the accused have voluntarily admitted. That is what I'm trying to point out, Your Lordship. Lordship. Before once, yes, under 161, Your Lordship. Lordship.
Correct, Lord.
Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship. Lordship, regarding the non-compatible section, yes, those two also, Your Lordship.
I have been some procedural, but then how to put it. And also I have this management meeting, for the city, you know, that's why.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Feedback.
Yan Singh, Lordship, Lordship, I'll give both the citations, Lordship.
For orders, item number 5.
May I please, Lordship? On the last occasion, I was directed to take justice service on Respondent 2, 3, and 4. But however, as of now, I would not serve the notice on Respondent number 2. So I may be given further 3 weeks' time. Or otherwise, Lordship, make it 4 because of the road condition.
4 weeks time. We take press steps upon. The respondent number.
3, 2.
Lord, I'm praying for respondent number 1. I may be allowed to file affidavit in opposition.
Also, like in case of the if someone person dies, the file is captured now.
Yes, to the
After 12 days.
Much obliged.
Step by what?
Justice service. Yes. Order has been. Yes, allowed. It is allowed.
Thanks.
Yes, much obliged.
For orders, item number 6.
May it please, Lordship. Lordship, I am for the respondent number 3. My lord, as per the office note, the appellant is supposed to take fresh steps upon respondent number 1. Here, Lordship, here in the criminal appeal number 3 of 2021, my senior is appearing. Here, the appellant, that criminal appeal has been disposed of on 26/5/2023 on the ground that non-prosecution by the appellant. And thereafter, the appellant has filed a restoration with IA in the year November 2023. And till today, the appellant is not taking any steps. So, Lordship, necessary order may be passed here. This is IA 26. IA is for restoration of the criminal appeal. Correct, Lordship. Lordship.
Office note dated 30/8/2024 also reflect that applicant has not been taking steps upon the respondent number 1. So, Mr.
The blue marshal, Lordship.
Counsel for the respondent number 3 is present. However, in absence of the applicant, the matter stand adjourned. The applicant is given further time to take fresh steps upon the respondent, further 3 weeks time to take fresh steps upon the respondent number 1. List is matter after 3 weeks.
Much obliged.
For orders, item number 7.
Lordship, I have already filed, I have served notice upon the respondents 1 and 2, Lordship, by way of justice service. I believe my affidavit must be on record, Lordship.
May I please, Lordship?
Yeah.
Your Lordship, here I'm appearing for respondent number 2.
Respondent number
Number two.
Two.
Yes, and I'll be filing my Vakalatnama today. So can you grant me 2 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition?
Okay.
Lordship, there is an urgency in this matter, Lordship. My fundamental rights, Lordship, has been grossly infringed. So a short time, Lordship, may only be granted. And if, Lordship, there is no affidavit on the next date, then the respondent number two,
So the.
He may be called in
One
person.
is not appearing. One.
yes, Lordship.
One is.
One also I have already served, Lordship.
Mhm.
It is at his peril that he is not appearing, Lordship.
Mr. Santiago, land counsel for the petitioner. You have Mr. Santiago, land counsel for the petitioner. So, Miss
Alitoso.
would appear on behalf of the respondent number two and place some time to file Wakalatnama
Affidavit in opposition.
and also, and Wakalatnama you have
I will be filing today.
and affidavit in opposition start. No one appears on behalf of the respondent number one, although
Service was effected on 6/8/2024, Lordship.
service upon the respondent number one has been effected by a justice service on
6/8/2024.
6/8/2024. Who is this respondent number one?
He is the Deputy Commissioner Mohchung, Lordship.
Mokuk King.
Yes, Lordship.
Deputy Commissioner was
He was also a party in the writ petition, Lordship, and the Deputy Commissioner, he is the appointing authority, Lordship.
staff, huh? Okay. Let us give one more chance to the deputy because his appearance is necessary. He is a necessary. part.
Lordship.
Okay. In view of the bond. No, as prayed for, in view of the above, and as prayed for by the land council for the respondent. List this matter after 3 weeks.
2 weeks, Lordship.
We file it within 2 weeks then?
Yes, Your Lordship.
2 weeks, okay. Mm. So Deputy Commissioner has not taken any steps.
On that, I have nothing to say, Lordship.
Hmm?
On that, I have nothing to say. So far as I am concerned, I have served
Yes.
effective service on 6 August, Lordship.
Okay. After 3 weeks.
Much obliged.
Not much.
For motion, item number 1 and 2.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
My lord, this IA is filed seeking for appointment of the new incumbent officer, the Deputy Commissioner Longland, Lordship. Lordship, while the this contempt petition was pending, the previous officer has been transferred and the new incumbent has been transferred, Lordship. So I pray that Shi Wang Pai may be implemented as respondent number 7 in the COP 2 of 2024, Lordship.
Agnes Mika Chair. Not a council for the petition. Start. It is submitted. I'm sorry. This is an application. So just a minute. This is an application for impleadment of the new incumbent who has been posted in place of the respondent number
4, Lordship.
4. He has gone to on transfer.
Yes, he has been transferred and the respondent number 7, Lordship.
Stop. It is submitted that during the pendency of this contempt petition, the respondent number 4 has been transferred from the present post, and in his place, Sri Y Manpai,
W. Mangpai, Lordship.
sorry, W Manpai Phone,
Lordship.
NCS, comma, NCS, comma, the has been posted as Deputy Commissioner,
Lordship.
Deputy Commissioner,
Then
Longland, Nagaland, Longland District, Nagaland. And press for is implement as respondent number 7. Sorry. In view of the above, the prayer is considered and allowed. Stop. The let the development by form NCS, the Deputy Commissioner Longland now being pleaded as respondent number 7. Stop. In the present, in the contempt petition number 2.
Lordship 12/24.
24, starting with above this highest stands disposed of in the main. In view of the order pass today, order pass in IA number 130 today, comma, Sri W. One by form. NCS. The Deputy Commissioner Longland is included as respondent number 7. Start. The petitioner takes steps upon the newly implemented respondent number 7 by a registered post which within
3 days, Lordship.
3 days from today. Starting. List is made after 3 weeks.
2 weeks, Lordship.
After 3 weeks.
Lordship.
Longling is not far away.
No, Lordship, it's not that far, Lordship. But there is an urgency. This is regarding the pension matter, Lordship.
Okay.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Okay.
No, no. You say. Nah, kali itu nah.
Sino nga ito?
Pero rito na. Pernah lalu aku nampil itu. Mana? Besar. Pasti perlu muncul tayo lines.